In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp photos not showing on Android Gallery. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Android you have, whether you're on Samsung, Huawei, or anything else. So all you want to do is open up your WhatsApp application and then go over to your settings. Then what we're going to see is a few different options. What we want to do is click on storage and data. Then you're going to see media auto download as one of the options. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on one. And if it's on never, you want to switch it to Wi-Fi and cellular, same for video or anything else as well. That's then going to automatically just go and be saved on your device. If you go over to chats, for example, you could also see save to photos. It's automatically going to save photos and videos you receive to photos. So if you want to enable that, go ahead and enable that because that is the main setting. The previous setting basically just allows you to view them in the chat as quick as possible, and this saves it to your phone. So have them both on because they work together, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out our other tutorials on the channel as well.